My listing. Don Richie, 2000, was not 2012. 2012. Now Don Richie and Omorovbiye know each other. Man, according to Omorovbiye, according to the audio, Don Richie saying already by according to today's self, the conversation between us, Erowaila and Don Richie. Don Richie saying already they build the house, not now connection, they work for the house. Before you know Omorovbiye, if you hear the word that, oh, 2012, he said he don't build that, he don't buy that plot, that 6 flat plot. He don't knock foundation of that 6 flats. He don't they build down. Before you know Omorovbiye, and Omorovbiye and Don Richie know 2012. And when Omorovbiye know Don Richie 2012, Don Richie was wretched and poor and wretched in Vietcheza. You understand? Whereby person wey fit only one room na even dey. Na even this Omorovbiye na even furniture the room. Person wey be say, hey, trust am and gba ẹ̀kọ́ ẹ̀. If you the why Adam ho, Don Richie, why Adam ho? Because you are talking to Umenwa or Omorovbiye. I'm going to be analyzing you by your words of your mouth. If you are deceiving other presenter, you don't dare with Umenwa. Moi baba with this man. If not pray make I verse. Because if I verse, I go put up for your body woto. You the feel me so? You feel they use all those police and all those your whatever till they threaten all those innocent citizens of Edo State. But if you come from about this man, you stand to speak the truth, nothing but the truth. You wait till they call you Don Mumu Abina Don Zuo. Don't understand your stupid name when you give yourself because you're not Don or not Don or we don't win Don because you are a Don Zuo. No. You understand? A saga will continue there now. You understand me too? Not when I'm not coming number, not coming number to go insult now. I started the paro. I hate evil people, evil men. You want to call me, and you know you're not clean. Your hands are not clean. You want to call me? How you tell you build the house? Omorovbiye said he known you 2012, and when you know you don't get anything, only today more than 6 boys from Vicenza where you dey, where you for rent house, even your own neighbor for the house where you dey called me today. Confirm you how you did dey for Vicenza. Your neighbor, Don Richie, your own neighbor called me, talking how you did dey for Vicenza. Say now more we na be God, na be your God for that Vicenza that year when you rent one room. You feel me? You know they do shoro, umawo shoro. Igi kuai. Biru ya mwe gesi ye no way. Yes with that land. Ye ya gbegbe ya mu go. All your data came out. Now, when and that plot of land, Omorovbiye bought that plot of land, 1.7 million. When he bought that plot of land from your own godmother, and that plot of land, your own godmother knock 6 flat foundation inside. Omorovbiye buy that plot of land with foundation, according to Omorovbiye. As you as in boyfriend, now you now count money, stand for Omorovbiye as a representative to pay for that plot of land. My people, the reason why Omorovbiye no fit take this case illegally, I talk my husband, I tell Omorovbiye, I say, this case you no fit win illegal because why? Your non-consign Omorovbiye, this in boyfriend, nice stand, buy land, wait for him, buy house, wait for him, buy land. And when they build them, since now Don Richie, they go Nigeria. Now Don Richie, they build the house. They assist on the same money they go to give the godmother because Omorovbiye now take that godmother, Don Richie godmother as his our own godmother, was not building the house with for Omorovbiye. When katakata.com, Don Richie say he want go collect the land paper from the godmother because the land paper was with the godmother to send to Omorovbiye for abroad. Now the land paper take Don Richie hands so. But Don Richie keep the land paper, Caesar. But I feel me so. But Richie now, you they come out, they come the you're supposed to know my even though only one person they watch me, and that person a sincere person. I like my past thousands of people they watch me and they're not truthful. They are evil people. I told you about Masafia Uriemila. Now, see the car where you snap with, the car where you see don't Jaguar, Zivia with those season. Sean Michael, we use an who full container. We'll keep over. Clap for yourself. Well, I told you where we want and why. This issue is a very small issue with them to settle amicably. But you and your godfather, Eruwala can even Eruwala the dynasty, you know, be godfather. Eruwala is your godfather. Because everything about Eruwala you they use. Everything about Eruwala. Now you they use. Boy, not provoke me past this one. The Eruwala is market in the would I saga the movie wow we last year or Eruwala, Nekiri one, married this woman at all. A matana, wow, the PC wa Eruwala. A matana, a no constant again to give it to this girl, chapel. I go answer. Obiedo wahin, Obiedo genan. Wahone PC arrow that could be arrow between Benin. What is that even? Not be joko. Una go so just return this to give this woman zezeze. Ama de Gaza, Arianiaza Gaza. Ona ma bienwe. Or okbia. Or yok bia na. We the men would know what I will use a hat. Come on, make me vessel. Somebody where I bring a picture come out which day here. How much the man chop? The woman chop the man for Torino. 220 euro. 220 euro. Now I be one sad guy destiny. If not be say the family like go settle the matter amicably. Make the guy arrest for the money. Not be the money pay the guy, the time wasted. You understand? No talk of say full building involved. 30-something thousand euro involved. Car involved. Not be the small petty even the clothes where you they wear. Now the woman buy everything for you. Gas you up. Guy now I'm gonna use brain. They use brain. Why do I want? Is your one? Hey, wa bolu wuto. Pesi mama. Okay, Don Richie. We're in where Owani or Weno. Omorovbiye ya tie boyo. Then why was it? Why was the cause bothering you? Why was the cause bothering you? When in Nigeria, Mohammed, one time social media now where Ugo Wangere, ina Ugo or Wangere. Ugo na hati ebona amwe bore. Otie yo. Who wait me me ya arrest police or body yet ya arrest. Address of it be no send the gun address of it. This when ya arrest ya pique. Then ya pique ba. What you get a bonnet bon winner, then wait how long you all. What we are again a bonnet bon winner. Never bone on the other way. Because I bought a way when I know time what I know. Oh, bono ya tiebo, oh, go away, go what. I put a man with a never cause my own book. Yahoo go there and you them. A massacre the winner, you went up was it about you with what? A massive in was the coming who go massive. Evil that men do. Well, why you were there and I go up with a phone. Equable gear betrayer. All your evil plan, your assassin plan, the plan, the target that assassin your winner, near your move, I'll make. And I'm watching you. Only a few hours in my way I call the phone. I've seen your talk, your targets, the way you unleash words out of your mouth. You don't need to. I don't need to spend time talking to you before I know the kind of person you are. You understand me? When you are talking to Baba with this market about raising where Don't have any now or my can I or one white this you white any are deceiving at me. You utter one word just now. What I kept quiet. I just keep quiet because I don't want to talk. What can you imagine? For this atrocity lifestyle, for those immorality lifestyle, evil art, central lifestyle. The people this man do are who have you been why you want to be who are going you realize the only person where you be Muna, you be company, you name Holland, company in Holland, we measure some of the things in Holland. But you couldn't measure one particular place to now win the Europe there. In my way, once measure one particular place now in hustle in Europe. You all the wet in the way now, the 600, the name flat in the born now. You have not mentioned one particular place to now win in Europe. You don't have any company. You don't have any fabrical place to win anyway now. The Europe, we are before flat, before 6 flats. And you see, look at the voice recording, you know, the woman.
A relationship of social media president is more than of that girl. Richie, Yahweh will not get here, which I really step over it in a cardboard door and a dead way. You no tumor or one summer, but you remember that why I will be in my bag. And I give it social media president so very loud one. Not the work one, we don't get a piece of my delay. I want for this in a man, I will not hear Uvia Gazari. Or he sent them in a time where 4 o'clock you have a quota your team. So when you make one, I'm on the Tazora Council already. So he's already after the conversation I will send you the slip. While we check account while we is no see Jimu Bonamu the PC Garo. And to where when we can ona will be okay man. Ona Boma ona Casimia. Upomodo Upopahi. No Popoma no Pomahia no Nama. Omaribu na Naribu. Or it matter my home of Yoma. I have received a lot of threats through this game. Again, I can't move on the man and bring one of Dova, or to Salopa Makuyo, Utuga or Elare. So I cannot be under threat of a retired and see a present human trafficker and prostitute. Nika did the mistake he had did. Of the regular here, one will be treating me. And then the Swami the president, my boy,
will retired and still a present prostitute. Oh God. Hey, this life no balance. Why to man? Hey God. Oh, Aponagario. Oh. This like no balance. Is it a present and a retired prostitute? Even yet, This was the person you were sucking his money like rain, like saying a rain and a water you dey drink. He had become a retired and a present prostitute. Clap yourself, Mr. Richie. Oh God. Oh God. My brother, go here.
I felt so bad about it.
Oh.
Matthew Bokbale, okay, he now tell me what he home. We are not going to go out now. We raw. We was a two to Hana, even a one. Even a was in every two. Even a was in every two. You know, to try to explain my way, or you will maybe the matter of here. Ovokana, I knew Kupano, I did give you Pano Maya Qualone. Osele where Imari Oka Mari Okete. Also, Lupua, not clinic in here. You know, who did you say I know? Who am I showing up for 4 years ago? You say 4 years ago. Okay, I said, oh, it was 4 years ago. Emma, what you say, Hana and up by Facebook. All one like a friendly civilian for all my family. All one said the message here.
Now, when I hold on, my people, I want greet you now, but that's star. But matter now, I will deal with Kiama. A pie de Murphy or even 40 matter now. Oh, yes. Eddie Murphy himself have his own fault in this issue on ground. And okay line. Wait, with this one, Holland. Hollandia you got. Where Eddie Murphy forgetting fault now be this. I have my daughter. I want the record by the right. If you are talking and writing, you have to not forget. Because the right points, not the right points. Yeah. You see, this morning now, this bribing, where the movie they talk now, and the movie provide this money come out again. This 500 number one. Two, this 500 euros, this 500 half a million, what they take bribe the movie. So not be now they bribe the movie for this money. This 500 half a million was given to the money August last year. Who be this one? Huh? Hello? I hear you. I hear you. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Yeah. Okay. Now, this money was paid to Eddie Murphy account August 25th. No. Not August. This is October. Yeah, this October. October 25th, 2021. At about 14 minutes to 5. That was when this money was paid. 14 minutes to 5. October 25th, 2021. We are in 2022 now. October, November, December. To at the end of the month, which is 5 months ago. This money has been paid into a Padimofi account 5 months ago. And I don't pay this money. If I not talk matter. If I not talk matter. If I not shocking man. Voilà, Deo. Oh, they talk this way. If I not talk commerce is there. You understand? We not gonna understand. What you come make a part talk now? And what you not still clear? Okay. I dey understand one thing. After then, they can go swear. And they swear they can bring the casting come out. And they get points. As someone of you can go swear, they can post that for Facebook. The Richie come to take action. You understand? So they can bring the casting come out now. Because if they pay this money enter a power account, October last year, and EPA kept quiet. This issue was not solved. This girl did not get justice. EPA himself gets phone first. EPA himself gets me on first. This issue has been a part table since last year. And EPA has been talking about this issue last year, and it was being paid 500,000 to keep quiet, not to talk anything about this issue again. And EPA really obeyed. Did not talk anything concerning this issue since October till now. Why now? EPA to also once address that issue on social media. Hello? Yeah, I would hear you loud and clear.
Okay.
Good evening.
The reason why I call because I didn't watch you. Now, because I did already talk and just that. I think the reason why I not talk and come out since then.
Yeah.
Because say they can go swear and the Richie can go arrest those people, go do that nonsense when you go do. Now that one I can make it come out, come talk, say why you go if you know say you really talk, say no, you not try to get money, now business now do together. So why you can go and now you say maybe get go swear. So why you can go now go arrest people where they for go swear?
Yeah.
So that one I can make back come out. You understand?
Okay.
So me I should say let me keep
That's your own thinking. Now you talk so.
Now my own, yes, and my own.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, I didn't look here. Yeah.
All right, let's pick other call. Hello, we are hearing you loud and clear. What's up, best? I don't know. Okay. Okay. Yes. Thank you. Thank you, Wesley. Nobody knows. Thank you.
That is real.
Okay.
Again, evidence,
Thank you.
Where What do you go the
Okay. Thank you very much. Where's it? Where's it? Where's it? Yeah. Beautiful. That one is clear. Now, my people, I greet you now better style. This is Frank Vito, the investigator. I go tell you now the reason why I have to go deep into this script. Because this woman, one of what's it called, Omo sister, I called that woman. When I called that woman, I can't ask her how much you pay Eddie Murphy for this issue. How much you na pay Eddie Murphy make it this, do this matter, make it this saga down Richie. She say you not pay Eddie Murphy 1 naira. If they bring the main swear, in go swear. They not pay Eddie Murphy. They let Eddie Murphy say, if you help them drag this their house, then go reward them. Because okay, I will tell you the reason why I spoke to Omorovbiye today. I've never spoke to Omorovbiye before. That same is sister, so where I know my fan. And my top fan for Odo level, one of the universe. And that will be. I can't call her. I can't say, you feel conference me with Omorovbiye. I want to ask Omorovbiye a question. That was how he conferenced me with Omorovbiye. The first question we asked Omorovbiye, how much you paid Eddie Murphy to fight this guy for you? Omorovbiye said not pay Eddie Murphy 1 naira. He said not pay Eddie Murphy any amount, but he promised Eddie Murphy, say, if Eddie Murphy fight this case for him, he go reward Eddie Murphy. I said, really say yes, good. Then the sister of Omorovbiye said the only person who not pay money give for this social media for this case now Monica, which is 300 euros. Monica collecting the case of Maguire. As Monica collect the money, Monica call Eruwala, conference with Eruwala, make they talk. Then when this month release up, now the film is so that one on in Bolofwa. So why I start to ask these people if how much they pay this man, now I want to tell you now. So because Don Richie called me today, come tell me say now 500,000 now him pay this man. See how the thing take play. You understand? Based on in family picture where they post on social media, how I want this to make because the thing they affect in marriage. You understand? So somebody will still close to a partner, still advise the rich say where they read your account. Where are you the paper? Also, where the picture where I'm Latin, or where the matter. I'm in the pie here. You understand? Now the rich they press that 500k. You can't call it paper say 500, you can't press 500k for a account. According to Don Richie. He said, as far as in the talk, so he don't even hear, see, Omorovbiye don't give Eddie Murphy almost about 4,000 euro for this matter. You think I'm trigger me? I say, seriously. I said, okay, no problem. I will investigate my own issue, my own matter. So that was how I started to call these people. You understand? To find out what's in the sub. I can't find out after I talked to the first woman. That one open up. So the only person when don't pay money give Monica, which is 300 euros. When Monica talk for this matter. Then say Eddie Murphy never give Eddie Murphy 1 naira. And I say, okay, I bet conference with Omorovbiye. And then Omorovbiye say he never give anybody 1 kobo. That was how I can ask Omorovbiye a question. They ask her a question, and she answer me. They give me many details. How you to know Don Richie, blah blah blah, all those things, buy this one, buy pound, buy Brazil, buy junkie, everything. I can't see. Now they always talk in every nonsense, there is always a sense. In all rumors, there's element of truth. Hope you understand me now. Okay now people. We don't find out now, say, a Eddie Murphy collect that money well, steady. But if I make one statement, say that money will go palace, or no, good. But the way things they go, that house, we know say as far as say na what they call am, Don Richie godmother na in hand, in godmama hand, na him for go buy the land for Omorovbiye, stand as representative of Omorovbiye to buy land from godmother, and the same godmother now the people of the land can't deal with. Now can't really help Omorovbiye they build the house they come, and the government still they are alive. And people want to listen, you know. The paper of the house deal with Don Richie, but who they buy the land from? And the godmother, according to Omorovbiye, who they help and they build the house? And the godmother. But now Don Richie, now the same money they go, but now Don Richie they go house. Or in Abolofo. I don't play one audio just now. Me I play other audio with Don Richie sent for me.
Ebon wayati be boge baba. So I want to go here social media nia. Ikine gbe o ma no ya we yiye. Ama force we. So even e wo ya we ama force we o. Because baba na ya tie boboge ori manania. O kan egbu yan mu igo nu enu ga le lawo bobo. Me o ebo ya re mania, eri ma re ma. So eri ma wo ma me go pa ni e be me na. O ya me ladian. Do igun ye e me na. We era me ma me go pa no ibo. So ama force we ni ate me na nu kana a mo ladian lu ya to bo wegu e. O bo wegu.
Hey God, this life not balanced. But I'm help. Listen to that voice record. Me I draw this thing go back. Me I play.
Now what any many messane that taking Agbena Richie of your boy, we are not poor. I need a yard white boat of Bania, I will more game money at the green, never bomb away. Now that taking away Bena, me mark bong him, broke back, a man with the boy when he said, he gave us another boy and I was sent. I gave a son, I might get by your own, and my they now go on me, I delivered the key. I have to yesterday, Fanny, I guess an emperor. And that of Gasson, where a yes, a Keniga Gasson, but then level my love, my motto, where my it was setting the motto so there. So get right then, yeah. I wear police, the dog commoter, it went with the common. Me on the social media. It got a movie, allow what one and one way, what here. Movie, we are way. If you know where, every now 50, when no even not good 100. Because omugo mene imagine mwe ibori na we digo no mume omamugo me omaya wo jara wa kola mo wi ni me kola mo wi fu na majo eya to bia kola mo wi me na ga lo mo wi no ore di me ka kola wi na we gueta mo wi ke di na ni ri ta ma bueno take a session you be mo pa ore di me ne wo ya iwa ni ga je ma ni ga re ya gbe 50 e boss ni e bi ore eni ri e ba 10 eya wa ga gbe le lupo. When he called one, he may make a video, he may way here. Why am I here?
Boy, when we make a video, boy, at the moment we make a video, go on.
And he's about when the other real set to me. You know, make one make a
It will be another calling. We call you, we another call you when you are going away. Matana, when a bandy matter away. Omorovbiye ba auto ikedo ade nika we Omorovbiye di mofi wa mo matala yin ye me na owo we do mi di mofi egege mo yin wore matala ma kosa ni we mo yin wore nika me we o mara mo yin awe obo ya ga banu amo ebo gbo gege na re carry yo igi tare wa na wo na we me ga mo yeso de me je ya mo ejo owe mada uya yige ni ana ni edo tala ama force we no we na ma se ti ka wa ma force ne ni se ti ka we to wa force ne da gbe wa ni me ma because a neutral person me body me wa akin wa ina we o baba ma force ne mo to bo we ni kai wa to be
na ye
mada e mata la ni a wa o fi ala ja so mi